opportunities at this steel target up there. Let's see how they hold up. This recoil is gonna hurt like hell. It held up, but it fell down. This is not the round, that's someone else's. Yeah, where's the impact hit? Can't really tell because I shot this shit so many times. So I don't think we found that strap. Hold up. No, that's not it. Oh, this might be it. Right here. It stopped it. No frags right here. Yeah, it stopped it alright. Push this shit back in. Damn it. I know I don't have the right down chain brackets, but I will get those eventually. Let's see what it did. Let me get the camera first. It took that hit. It sure enough took it. I don't know where it went, but when I go back and look at the footage later on tonight, I'll probably know where it went. So, this damage. I've already hit right here or something. Probably hit the top right here. I don't know. Let's try one more and see where I hit. Not gonna lie, I don't know where the fuck the shrapnel went at. Feel my language, Lord, forgive me. I don't know where that shrapnel went, but I can see probably hit it somewhere right here. I'm gonna learn some AR-15 downrange though. I'll be back. Yeah, I think this is this area where I have it at isn't stable enough, so I think I might move it up a little bit. So, All right, let's see if that hold. Alrighty. I got one of these in there, so shooting 5.56. And I'm using this little standby. I don't know who the fuck made this shit, to be honest. Not even gonna lie to you. Well, look, there goes the gun. So it's aiming at the brim, so it's all right. Not flagging anybody. For you gun people. All right, this is. Not gonna be honest, I really don't even need this stand. Well, there she goes. I don't feel safe having a mag in and going down range. Not my cup of tea, but this is around. Put that right there. Gonna reset this sucker up. Well, you got the pistol today too, but I don't know if I can hit it that far with the pistol. Oh man, yeah. Taking that out the video, flag myself. I'm gonna add that blooper. I'm gonna add that mistake in the video to let people know that not all gun tubers are perfect. You know. Ooh, look. Seven by 6.2 by 30 by 39. Nice. Well, let's compare the bullets and oh shit. Let's compare the 308 to a 7 by 6.2. Jesus, look at that. That is a lot more gunpowder than that. Looks pretty nice, you see that? Compare it to the, you know, shit. You know, to like the 5.56 and everything. So like the 5.56 and everything, this is, you know, look, 7 by 308, 7 by 6.2, 39, AK round, and a 5.56. Yeah, so pretty big difference. Pretty big difference. To be honest, you know. Yeah, here's another comparison. I'm just finding ammo all over this damn ground today. 308, 300 blackout. 300 blackout. Might even shade down a little bit. Probably still shoot it, but I wouldn't recommend that. It's like ammunition rounds all over the fucking ground. Like a great gun day today. You get range for a couple days, so wouldn't recommend shooting that off the ground. But I'm going to finish off this mag real quick. You know, even if you tried to put this sucker in there, it wouldn't fit. And if you, goddamn, imagine if you kind of did put it in there, just know when you shoot that shit, you're fucked. Forgive my language a little, but you're screwed. So let's go and shove her in a, you know what I'm saying? Let's go and get back to cracking back, and I'll save myself. I'm not gonna use a magnifier this time because I don't really need it. So I'll do a 2 version. You know, it's always good, you know, shooting 5.56, you know. I like it. You know, the fucking government's trying to ban the ammunition and you like to say weapons of war, but they're not. They're an armor light rifle, you know, but who cares? Joe Biden and the government don't. You know I didn't put that on safety, right? Rookie mistake. And guess what? I don't care. Nice sound in this nice rifle. And guess what, you silly boys? Guess what, silly boys? I finally shot a 30-round mag instead of the 20. But guess what? It's on safety. I need to get an ambi safety release. Ambi safety. You know. You know what I'm saying? That'd be a lot better. But switch over to this SCAR. I haven't shot it in a second, so this shit's gonna be painful. This trigger is absolute ass. You know. That shit's absolutely horrendous, but I don't like it.